I am Mrs. Losanta Canlas Soteya, 57 years old, married with 4 children and 9 grandchildren. I have reached third year high school only because of financial constraints, but I was able to fulfill my dreams of earning a college degree through my children. I am a registered medical doctor, a computer engineer, a commerce business administrator graduate, and a physical therapist. Presently, I am a barangay councilor of Buayan, where I reside for 30 years, and I still don't give up my dreams of reaching college. I enrolled at Alternative Learning System of the Department of Education and at the Community East Center of the LGU, Mlang. The Community East Center really changed my life first and foremost. It boosted my ego from feeling illiterate to educated. I was able to mingle with high school and college graduate classmates and even surpass their performance. I felt that my frustration now became a reality. I was able to boost my self-esteem and improve my performance, especially as a public official of my barangay. Secondly, I was able to learn and utilize the present technologies. I now know and understand what is a computer, internet, Facebook, Skype, and etc. and was able to utilize them in doing my roles and responsibilities and in communicating my children and relatives here and abroad. Lastly, the e-center taught me that education has no boundaries. Everybody, regardless of age, financial status, educational attainment, to study and learn at LGU Mlang e-center. It gives way of technology updating, capability building, and fulfillment of one's dream, which will eventually result into the community advancement and progress. Thank you very much to the people behind the LGU Mlang East Center, particularly to our beloved Municipal Mayor, Honorable Joselito F. Piñol, my mentor, Ms. Miriam A. Cortado, and my teacher, Ms. Josette Alforqui. God bless you more as you help more people achieve their dreams and ambitions in life. Thank you.